Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that's perfect for parties and gatherings: the Hysagtek 400-piece wood skewers. Specifically designed for chocolate fountains, these skewers promise to elevate your culinary experience. Let's explore why they're a must-have for any chocolate lover or entertainer. The Hysagtek wood skewers are crafted from eco-friendly bamboo, a renewable resource that's both sturdy and safe for food. With a length of 6 inches, these skewers are thicker than most, ensuring they can handle heavier foods without bending or breaking. Made from natural bamboo, these skewers are safe to use with chocolate fountains and other food items, preventing scorching or burning. At 6 inches in length, they are ideal for various applications like appetizers, BBQs, cocktails, and of course, chocolate fountains. Their length and thickness make them perfect for skewering fruits, marshmallows, and other treats. Disposable and easy to use, these skewers are designed for single-use convenience and can be stored in a dry, cool place until needed. If you're looking for reliability and quality, the Hysagtek wood skewers stand out. Whether you're hosting a party, a barbecue, or simply indulging in a chocolate fountain at home, the Hysagtek wood skewers are your perfect companion. Their eco-friendly bamboo construction and practical design make them the best choice for any occasion where food and fun come together. That wraps up our review of the Hysagtek 400-piece wood skewers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.